Hello, today we are going to see about UDP programs, a basic time and a chat line program, and then echo server echo client program using UDP. The previous videos I have explained about socket. So let's go. So I have, we should see the path where it is saved. E study material Java DCN. Okay, let's go to the path. So I have went to the path. I am saved this UDP client.java. Now I am going to type. Now I'm going to compile that UDP client here and UDP server here. Now I have typed the file name with Java extension. Now first I am going to compile the server side. So if there is an error, the error will be intimated here. Compile this client side also. And first I want to run this server side. Oh, sorry, I have compiled again. For running it, take this .java and C and press enter. It shows server is up. That is shown in this program. Now I am going to run this client side also by taking .java and C, pressing enter. It shows Friday September time. You may see that the server time here, the server time is here. Let me show the program for this. This is client side and this is server side. Now we are going to see about echo client and echo server. So this is the code for it. And this is the UDP echo server program. Normally we are going to run, this is this server side. Now we will run the client side also. UDP echo client dot java. Oh my god. Okay, I think I didn't compile it. Okay, I'm just control Z and come out of this. First, actually I have already compiled it, so it is running. I will do first from first. Okay, first I have compiled and then I'm going to run this. Before running this client, I should run the server. Okay, press enter in server. So it is showing what port number I have entered in the program. Okay, I have run the server. Now I'm going to run the client, which it says ready to send your messages. I'll send hello. It gives a command to hello here and sends hello. But this is echo client and echo server. Whatever messages we are sending to the server, it returns to the client again. Okay, hi client. Okay. So let me check whether I can come out of this program by pressing Ctrl Z and giving enter. I can come out of the program in client side. This Ctrl Z means resetting the program. So I can do in only in client side but not in server side. So if you have any solution for it, please write in comment section. Now we will see UDP chat client and UDP chat server. How to run this? In previous, I can't close the server, so I opened a new command prompt for server. Now I am going to the place city. Okay, this place at camp. In this place only I have saved all the file. If you want to check it, go to that file place and point here. You can see the path name. So now we will run the program. So here we will run the client side Java C UDP chat client. Okay, .java. Okay, it has compiled successfully. I will run the server side here. I will copy paste this and I will write server server. Okay, now I will run the server side by taking out the .java and the C, and the client side also I am going to run. First I want to run this server by giving enter. Says server is running. This program we can see here, server is running. Okay, running. After, as soon as we run this program, we can see the file name here. See, you can see the file name here. Okay, we'll chat with the server. Hello, I am server. I am the client. To stop, stop. Okay, is stop. Okay, when we press stop, it has terminated. So let us go to the code what we have written. For chat client, I have written this code. Then yes. So as soon as we put stop, it will stop in client side. For server side, this code has been written. Okay. Here also when we give stop in client, it also stops in the server side also.